Dear friends, please take shorthand dictation at 80 words per minute from Sir Kolya Chandra's. Exercise number 15. Before taking dictation, I again request you all to subscribe my channel and press the like button. Thank you. Ready. Start. Honorable members, keeping in mind the desire of the youth to be self-reliant, the Kaushal Vikas Abhiyan was launched. Under this Abhiyan, in the last 4 years, on an average, 1 crore youth have been trained every year in different skills. In the coming days, more than 15,000 ITIs, more than 10,000 Kaushal Vikas Kendras, and more than 600 Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Kendras will play a critical role in developing the skill set of the country's youth. Under the Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, which facilitates credit for professional and business requirements, loans worth more than rupees 7 lakhs crore have been disbursed to the youth without any guarantee. More than 15 crore people have benefited and over 4 crore 26 lakh first time borrowers have started their business under the scheme. Under Startup India and Stand Up India, my government has provided financial assistance to make the youth self-reliant. As a result, in the world of startups, India now figures as a frontline country. Thank you, friends.